The best potluck dish ever is old-fashioned potato salad, and this one is amped up with fresh herbs and hard-boiled egg. It is super, super simple to make with tender, flavor-packed potatoes. Let me show you how. Hey everyone, I'm Kelly with Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making my favorite potato salad ever. This is super simple to make, and it has a lot of add-ins that just kind of amp it up to make it taste better than grandma's potato salad. I said it, this is what you'll need. I like to use a yellow potato or Yukon Gold potato. They're kind of buttery. They just have a better flavor than just like a regular russet. If you can't find them, then a regular russet potato will work just fine. Mayonnaise, I like to use avocado mayonnaise, but you can use whatever mayonnaise that you like. Apple cider vinegar, celery seed is a must. If you always wondered, like in coleslaw, that little peppery bite that you get, that is celery seed. I love it, love it, love it in this potato salad. You're also going to need sliced green onions, celery for crunch, some chopped hard-boiled egg, and lots of dill. I love the flavor in dill in summer salads, and this one is no exception. So I want to tell you about the potatoes. I have my potatoes are already cooked here, and I boiled them in heavily salted water. This is the only time that you're able to get flavor into your potatoes is when they're cooking or when they're hot. So once your potatoes are fork tender, it usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes if they're all cut to a uniform size. Drain them, and as soon as you drain them, you're going to put 3 tablespoons of vinegar. I used apple cider vinegar, as I mentioned here. You're just gonna drizzle it over top. It's going to soak into your potatoes. It adds so much flavor, so your potato salad is, every bite is amazing. No bland potato salad here. Also, you can peel your potatoes, but you don't have to. I like that the skin holds the potato together so they're not breaking down in your salad and becoming mushy. You still get like a nice bite of potato in every single bite. So to start, we're going to make our dressing. And to make our dressing, we need the mayonnaise. Add the mayonnaise to the bowl. And then we're going to add our vinegar and the celery seed and some salt. And just whisk all that together. And that's your dressing. It's so creamy and like tangy and perfect, and that celery seed gives it a nice peppery bite. So to the potatoes, we're going to add our celery and our green onions and our chopped egg. If you're not a fan of hard-boiled egg, you can leave it out, but you really don't even notice it in there. And then we're going to add our chopped dill, and then we're going to pour our dressing on top. And you just stir it all together to coat. This is a great make-ahead recipe because the longer you let it sit in the dressing, the more flavorful it becomes. If you do this while it's warm, the potatoes will soak it up even more. And I just realized I forgot to add my mustard. So the mustard goes into the dressing when you whisk it all together. We're just gonna kind of mix it in here. You'll just have to mix everything a little bit more. Sometimes that happens. Good thing mustard is yellow, so we'll be able to see if it's like perfectly stirred in. So we're going to add our now finished potato salad to a serving bowl. I'm gonna try not to spill it all over the counter. You can see all the dill and the vegetables, and it's such a pretty color. That's how I knew there was no mustard. The color is very flat. And then you wanna get all that dressing too, and then it'll just like drizzle down to the bottom of the bowl. And I love to garnish my salads with some ingredients that are actually in the salad. So we're just going to add some bunches of dill on top, just kind of like lay it on top. And then they know what's in it then. So if you're at a potluck, they're not really asking a lot of questions because it's kind of self-explanatory there. So I'm gonna slice up some hard-boiled egg. And then I'll fan it on the top. There we go. There's your potato salad. Take a bite. Make sure it tastes okay. It is so tangy with that creamy dressing, and the potatoes are just perfectly tender but held together and not mushy. It is the perfect potato salad ever. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.